Hi everyone, and welcome to another parent workshop webinar brought to you by the Hangout Spot. My name is Megan Cave. Justina Balzar and I are excited to share today's discussion about long-distance playdating in times of social distancing and finding ways that our kids can be together apart. We are thrilled that you have chosen to join our community today, and we hope that this webinar is helpful to you as you begin to navigate today's new normal with your child. Let's get started. As I'm sure you're intimately aware, it only takes a day or two of social distancing to feel that sense of isolation. It's really easy to lose touch with the world and people outside the walls of your home when you aren't able to connect with them directly. It's out of sight, out of mind, as they say. However, social interaction is critical to maintaining a sense of well-being, especially during times of stress and uncertainty. Without a doubt, our children feel it too. So ensuring that children continue to be socially connected with their communities is of the utmost importance during times of social distancing. After all, there is a difference between being alone and being lonely. Here at the Hangout Spot, we believe that relationships with others are everything. So, we've developed a how-to guide to long-distance playdating. We're going to talk about a few different activities today, all of which will help your child continue to access critical social connectedness and navigate today's new normal with the greatest sense of ease. So here's our first suggestion. Set up a video chat playdate. Select an application that is free, widely accessible, and kid-friendly. While FaceTime is often a good go-to option, Playdate partners who are not Apple users can connect using Zoom for unlimited one-to-one long-distance playdates and 40-minute group get-togethers as well. Other options include Skype, Google Hangouts, and also WhatsApp. Explore the options and select an application that best meets your playdating needs. Now, what to do? Give some thought to games that can be played seamlessly without being in the same space. Some of our favorites are charades, 20 questions, would you rather, hangman, rock, paper, scissors. The list is endless. Actually, a quick Google search will yield hundreds of ideas for hours and hours of playdating fun. And if you have older children or teenagers who are looking for that video chat hangout experience, there's an application out there called House Party, and I've actually done that with a few of my friends recently. It's a really incredible tool that allows both video chat capabilities, but also has some of these games integrated right into the platform. So it's a really awesome experience that already has everything in one application ready to go. So we highly recommend that for older children or teenagers who are looking for that video chat hangout experience. Now, if you want to get really creative, gather Playdate partners for karaoke night, video chat style. Music accompanied by lyrics is really easy to find through YouTube. So turn on Let It Go, guys, and take turns singing along. You can add props for comedic value, so costumes, makeshift microphones, even audience signs for casting a vote. All of those enhance the fun. Prefer a dance party? That's easy to do as well. Just select an application with a screen share feature and have the group dance along with, say, Go Noodle instead. Now, video chatting may not always be an option, especially if parents are working from home and need some quiet time. So download free app-based games that allow children to play with real friends during downtime. Words with friends, draw something, quiz up, All of these challenge users to fun competitions with their actual social circles and provide a chat feature for conversation throughout the game too. Okay, so just because you can't share a bowl of popcorn does not mean that you cannot share movie night. Netflix Party lets friends watch their favorite flicks on the computer at the same time. But the best part of watching a movie together is sharing your reactions. Great news! Netflix Party has chat room capabilities, transforming movie night into an interactive experience for viewers. You can download the free Google extension at www.netflixparty.com. So, if your child is missing weekly karate class or dance has been canceled until further notice, keep this in mind. Many organizations seeking to maintain a connection with their clients have found a way to bring group recreational activities online. Check to see if your child's regularly scheduled programming will be coming soon to a screen near you. And if not, do a search to see what else is out there. I'm actually a member of Edge Fitness, and they've been doing weekly streams of some kid-friendly or family-fun exercise activities live streamed on Facebook and Instagram. So I definitely recommend that, and there's lots of really exciting opportunities out there. Kids love competition. So you can also challenge Playdate partners to a contest that they can participate in from the comfort of their own home. Get creative and consider materials that are commonly found around the house. For example, see who can create the best box city or make the most artistic shaving cream drawing. Then, at a designated time, all the participants can text their submissions to the group for review. Everyone votes, and the winner gets to pick tomorrow's contest. Spirit Week. So, Spirit Week is a coveted time when children are at school. Why not bring it home? Pick a theme for each day of the week. We suggest Crazy Hair Day, or Dress Like a Holiday, or Sports Day. But the options for creating that sense of community from afar are endless. Create a group text to share photos with participating friends, or schedule the time to show off your spirit via video chat. It's all about finding the joy in these moments and sharing with your child's social network. Bring back the art of the phone call. So, as you know, texting has become a primary means of communication in today's world. However, when children are deprived of the face-to-face conversations that occur naturally throughout their daily lives, the desire to chat without waiting for those 3 dots to turn into text is amplified. Encourage your child to give friends a call the good old-fashioned way. A phone call brings something to communication that text simply does not: the power of the human voice. So prompt your child to phone a friend. Hey, maybe you'll even get him or her to try the landline. Better yet, teach your child about snail mail. We all know the excitement that comes along with receiving a handwritten note in the mail. But such sentiments are often reserved for special occasions. In a time when other social interactions aren't accessible, have your child brighten friendships with a note or a drawing sent through the mail instead of a screen. Quick tip though, use tape instead of licking the envelope. Your social distancing friends will appreciate it. If your child still enjoys a good bedtime story, consider nightly read-alouds with friends. You can take turns with other parents, reading a book out loud to your child and his or her peers. Honestly, sweet dreams are only sweeter when your child drifts off to bed with that comforting sense of connectedness. Now, just because schools have shut down does not mean that our lives are on pause. Some children may feel disappointed as, a birthday party or some other special event approaches while social distancing is still in effect. So yes, we have to cancel those in real life events, but we can host digital get-togethers instead. Happy birthday can still be sung, and candles still can be blown out using FaceTime instead of FaceTime. Get creative about using technology to make these celebrations accessible to loved ones at a distance. So parents, we encourage you to replace the concept of social distancing with physical distancing instead. Just because there is a need to be separate from others does not mean that our children can't stay connected. Long-distance social success is possible. We can prioritize safety while nurturing relationships too. Children are, by their very nature and design, social beings who rely on social interactions with others. With the help of technology, our children can continue to be together apart. We hope that you enjoyed today's presentation, brought to you by the Hangout Spot, Connecticut's first center using the fundamentals of the science of applied behavior analysis to teach play and social smarts. Here at the Hangout Spot, we believe that all children have a right to meaningful relationships and friendships with others. We strive to eliminate barriers to friendship and empower children to be socially successful throughout the lifespan using the principles of applied behavior analysis. Everything we do is rooted in research, empirically validated, and proven to work. We take a look at what are considered historically tricky to teach skills through a scientifically rooted framework, which allows us to achieve socially significant change for our clients by providing the support they need to develop real connections with others beyond the walls of our center. Justina Balzar and I are the co-founders and CEOs of the Hangout Spot. We are board-certified behavior analysts, otherwise known as BCBAs. We practice the science of applied behavior analysis. In short, that's the science of learning and behavior. Together, we have a combined almost 30 years experience working with children of many different profiles across diagnoses, ages 3 to 21 years old, in multiple settings. We are passionate about using our science to help improve the lives of the children we are blessed to serve. If you'd like to learn more, join the Hangout Spot community because we are soon to be accepting new friends. Our website is under construction at www.thehangoutspotlLC.com. Our Facebook page will be going live soon, and you can find us at the Hangout Spot LLC, or find us now on Instagram. To gain access to our free webinar content, subscribe to the Hangout Spot's YouTube channel. We are so excited to meet you soon. Thanks for listening.